If you are looking for the best doorbell camera, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started.
At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals.
Arlo AVD1001 Video Doorbell. The Arlo Video Doorbell is our Along with its great hardware and fast response times, it was the only model we tested that could distinguish among people, animals, vehicles, or packages. This meant it also kept false alerts, a problem with many models, to a minimum. For that advanced sensing and the ability to capture video clips up to 5 minutes long, you need a $3 per month Arlo Smart subscription. But we think these features are essential, and the price is fair. The Arlo also captures crisp video. Number 2. Eufy Security, Wi-Fi Video Doorbell. The Eufy Security Video Doorbell includes a lot of features that most companies charge for, such as enough internal memory to store up to 30 days worth of video, as well as the ability to distinguish between people and other motion, like from birds or swaying branches. The Eufy doesn't have as wide a viewing angle as the Arlo, but the Eufy doorbell creates clear recordings as long as motion is detected, for up to 5 minutes, and it stores those clips in its 4 GB of built-in memory. Number 3. Allnew Ring Video Doorbell. With the second generation of its bog standard video doorbell, Ring really has let the best technology trickle down. The sensor gets a kick up from the 720p of its predecessor to a full 1080p number. There are newly upgraded motion sensing and night vision, and a host of other tweaks that make this the best video doorbell, pound for pound, that you can buy today. It's almost comical how good this is when the Ring Video Doorbell 3 Plus is twice its price, given that the latter includes only small quality of life upgrades over this. Number 4. Amcrest 1080p Video Doorbell Camera. The Amcrest Video Doorbell Camera Pro may be the least popular and one of the cheapest products on our list, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't take it seriously. Sure, it has its share of limitations, namely, the 1080p resolution, the 140-degree field of view, and the 2.4 GHz only support. However, it also has a few things going for it. We certainly appreciate the microSD local storage, for one. You can put in a microSD card with up to 128 GB storage space, instead of having to commit to a monthly subscription. And, its operating temperature range of 22 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 5. Remo Plus RemoBell S Wi-Fi Video Doorbell Camera. You can spend a couple of hundreds of dollars on a pricier video doorbell, or you can spend half that amount for practically the same basic features. That's what Remo Plus RemoBell S offers budget-minded consumers. Not only is the video doorbell cheap, but it also comes with a free 3-day rolling cloud storage, so you don't have to pay for a monthly subscription if you don't want to. As for its features, it has all the necessary trimmings, two-way audio, night vision, motion detection alerts, and an operating temperature range of 4 to 122 F. 22F.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.